What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to create a stylized AI music video using Openart AI. First, open your browser and go to Openart. Once you're on the home page, click Video from the left sidebar to open the video creation workspace. Next, set your start and end frames if you're unsure what to use. Start with a shorter range for a smoother result. Then choose Text with Reference. This lets you combine your prompt with an image or reference to help maintain the character and overall look. Now, select a model that matches the style you want for the music video. In the description field, enter your prompt. For an example, let's enter rapper walking through neon Tokyo street at night, cinematic lighting, handheld camera, realistic music, and video aesthetic. After that, adjust the sound effects, mode, and output settings based on your preferences. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait for OpenArt to create your video. If the result isn't quite right, adjust your prompt or settings and generate again. And that's it. You can now create your own AI music video with OpenArt AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.